In this video, I will show you how to use Go High Level for insurance agents. Go High Level has a lot of different features and it can be kind of hard to figure out. So therefore, in this video, I'll just show you all of the useful features found in the Go High Level application that you can use as an insurance agent, or if one of your clients is an insurance agent. So before we get into this, the first thing that you will need to do is to create an account on Go High Level. If you click the link below, you'll be able to get 14 days free trial on Go High Level. So you'll be able to find that link on the description box. So go ahead and click on that link to be able to avail that 14-day free trial. With that being said, let's go ahead and head over with the tutorial. So once you have created an account on Go High Level, go ahead and head over to the sub accounts section by clicking on sub accounts, which you'll find at the left side of your screen. And here, go ahead and click on the add sub account button, and here go ahead and use the search field to search for insurance. Once you search for insurance, you'll be able to find all of the available template snapshots that you can use. So there is this commercial insurance, life insurance, and PNC insurance. Basically, a snapshot is a collection of templates for emails, websites, funnels, and stuff like that, specifically created for this type of business. For example, your client or you have a life insurance business, so go ahead and hover your mouse on the life insurance and click on the select and continue button to be able to use the snapshot template as your snapshot template for your insurance business. So in this section, you'll need to set up your business. You can go ahead and search for your business name if that is registered on Google Maps. You can also manually add your account by clicking on that add account manually button. Now in this section, you'll need to enter a few information about your account information and general information about your business. So go ahead and answer this form, and once you have answered this form, go ahead and hit on that save button to save this information for your business account. Now once you have saved this information, you'll get redirected into this page where you'll be able to find your entered information. So go ahead and click on that switch to sub account button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen, and that will redirect you into your dashboard. Now initially, if you're a new user on Go High Level, your dashboard will look like this, but once you already have set up all of the required information for your account, the progress will be reflected on your dashboard, which will allow you to keep track of the progress that you're making. So go ahead and head over to the site section. If you don't have a website, you can go ahead and create a website on Go High Level or use the template website available for your snapshot. So as you can see in here, this is a template website that you can personalize further by hitting on the edit button for each of this page. Creating and personalizing a template on Go High Level is easy since this only requires a drag and drop action. Now once we head back into the website section, you'll be able to find this new website button. So as you can see in here, you can create a new website from blank or create a new website from their available templates. That will redirect you into their template library. So in here, go ahead and check the insurance filter to filter out the template library. As you can see in here, there's a wide variety of insurance template that you can choose from that you can use and personalize to create your website. So you can go ahead and select from any of these templates and personalize it depending on how you want it to look like to be able to create a website using Go High Level. There is no additional cost to this since this is a part of the package that you've paid for your subscription on Go High Level. So you can view how this template will look like as a website by clicking on that template, and as you can see in here, this template will look like this as a website. Now if you like this as your template, go ahead and hit on the continue button at the top right to continue editing this on a new page. Now, if you already have a website which was created using WordPress, you can go ahead and connect that with your Go High Level account by heading over to the WordPress section. So as you can see in here, you can simply connect your WordPress account with your Go High Level account for easier management and easier incorporation of different features that you can actually create using Go High Level. An example of this feature is actually a chat widget. Now let's go ahead and head over to the chat widget section. So as an insurance agent, communication is an important part of the business. Using Go High Level, you can simply create a chat widget for your website by clicking on the new button at the top right of your screen. So as you can see in here, you can create an SMS or email chat, a live chat bot, and a WhatsApp integrated chat bot. As insurance agents, presence is everything. So incorporating a live chat bot is the best way for you to entertain your clients anytime they need you. So go ahead and click on that select button for live chat, and that will redirect you into this page where you can actually customize how this live chat will look like. By clicking on the style section, you can customize how this chat bot will look like with the chat prompt, chat icon, and the themes available on Go High Level that you can actually apply for the appearance of your chatbot. You can also customize the welcome message for your chatbot, so you can make it tailored for your specific business. You can also customize the return visitor custom greetings in this section. You can incorporate this chatbot with your WordPress website by clicking on the Get It for WordPress. So that will redirect you into a new page where you'll be able to find the plugin that you need to install on your WordPress website to be able to connect your chat widget into your WordPress website. You can also get the code for this if you have your website manually coded. You can also save this if you have your website saved on Go High Level. Now, once we head over into the chat window section, you will be able to customize your chat window title, be able to customize the live chat assigned, along with the live chat close information. You can add your business office or setup and additional options. Now, once you head over into the messaging section, you'll be able to find this acknowledgement section. You can also customize this section to tailor fit it into the approach that you want. You can also set up the language for this chat bot. So once we head over into the language section, as you can see in here, you can simply set this into use website language or use location language to be able to make this chat bot more understandable for individuals from different regions and country around the world. Now go ahead and save this chat widget, and let's proceed with the next things that you'll need to know when using Go High Level. The conversations that your clients had with your chat will be reflected into the conversation section. So click on that conversation section to be able to view the flow of messages that your client and your chatbot have. This can also be useful if there are actually questions that your chatbot wasn't able to answer and which you can simply answer using this. You can keep updated of that into the section. Now once we head over into the settings by clicking on the settings button and head over into conversation AI, you can then here set it on autopilot, which means it will automatically send message to the client who visited your website. So once you save this autopilot and head over into the bot training section, this conversation AI bot is a really cool feature. You can actually train using the exact URL of your website. So once you input the URL of your website into this section and click on the Get Data button, your chatbot can be trained using your data. It will analyze the website and all of the pages. And then, for example, if someone asks for what are your opening hours, it can just analyze that and answer that client. This feature will allow the client and the chatbot to have a better and more conversational conversation. So under the conversation section, you can find that conversations that the chatbot and the client had to integrate the insurance company's Google business profile. Go ahead and head over into the Launchpad section. So as you can see in here, you can simply click on that connect button for that specific Google business profile. You only need to authorize the connection between your Google business profile and your Go High Level profile to easily keep track of your leads and progress on your business profile. So this makes it easy for you to keep track of your leads. Now go ahead and head over to the settings all over again and head over into your business profile. Scroll down and look for the missed call text back. So make sure that you have this enabled to save this missed call and to be able to easily find it on the conversation section. So that's basically the basic information that you'll need to know as an insurance agent and as a new user of Go High Level. I believe the 14-day trial that you can get once you click on the link below on the description box will be enough for you to learn the best way to use Go High Level for your insurance business. I believe Go High Level is the best application for you to create your website and keep track of your leads all in one platform. So we hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.